Om du inte tar belagt.
Ja, för det ser vi på programmet. Ja. All right. Vad må jag skriva för något då?
Vet du vad? Jag ska...
Gorgeous spider.
Kan du läsa så en liten stil? Ja, det kan inte jag. Ja.
It looks so clean and sporty in some way. So sharp.
Ja, men då ska jag bara se på den då.
Det är samma som den framför.
Jag tror att det... Jag sa det, det är de färgerna där.
Ja.
Men den ska vara svart, icke blanke, icke...
Svart matt med
Den ska vara svart matte, hela färgen. Icke, jag sa till dig att det skulle vara...
Ja. Nej, de ska vara som den bruna. Ja.
So I'm sitting here in a new McLaren 720S Spider. And I must show you this lovely detail. Have a button here where you could change the darkness with electrochromatic. See the difference? And with just push of this little button here, you have it immediately a lot darker, which is actually really handy when it comes to sunny days, or if you want to be more discreet. So now it's dark, and with a push of a button, oh, you know what? I have to put on the ignition. Like that. Super bright. It really makes a huge difference in the car. And of course, you can, some nice feature, you could take away the little rear window here. But this is really a nice feature. Now it's really obvious, it's really light, and with the push of button, it's really light. So the actual button looks like this, and I think the Mercedes Maybach, the original Maybach, was the first car to have electrochromatic window. You can see the light in the coupe. It's really, now it's super light and it's immediately darker. So I can't get enough of the electrochromatic inner window or inner roof window of the 720S Spider. Now more discreet and darker. I would like to have a electrochromatic like button for all windows. And now much lighter. Take into consideration it's really strong lights in the roof. gorgeous spider.
Kan du läsa så en liten stil? Ja, det kan inte jag. Ja.
It looks so clean and sporty in some way. So sharp.
Ja, men nå skal jeg bare se på den da. Her.
Det är samma som den framför.
Jeg tror at det, jeg sa det er de felgene der.
Ja.
Men den skal være svarte, ikke blanke, ikke...
Svart matt med det?
Den skal være svart matte, hele felgen. Ikke, jeg sa til deg at det skulle være...
Ja. Nej, de ska vara som den bruna.
Ja.
Ja.
So I can't get enough of the electrochromatic inner window or inner roof window of the 720S Spider. Now more discreet and darker. I would like to have a electrochromatic like button for all windows. And now much lighter. Take into consideration it's really strong lights in the roof.